What up, Rock? What up, Rafi? Let's see. Everybody come on in. Come on in. Let's see who did not pay yet. I know I got the Pacers and the Celtics available. Let me see what else I got going on here. We'll get started in a jiffy here. Just want to make sure everybody paid that needed to pay. What up, everybody? Just waiting on one more big payment, and then we'll get started. Celtics went for 51. I'm willing to come down to, if you want both the Celtics and the Pacers, I'll give them both to you for $20. We can start the bid at $20. If anybody wants to start bidding on them. Anybody want $20 Celtics and Pacers? Daniel says you'll do 20. Does anybody want to beat Daniel at 20 for both the Celtics and the Pacers? Anybody beat Daniel? Ooh, Joe Thompson said 35 for both the Celtics and the Pacers. Anybody want to go any higher than Joe? Anybody higher than Joe? Joe, PayPal is... I'm going to post it right in the chat for you. I was waiting for the Lakers as well, for somebody to pay for the Lakers. Let me see here. Lakers are at... Dude bought them for 67, I believe. Let me just check on that. I was just going to wait on that because that was one big one that somebody didn't pay for some reason. Let's see here. Sorry about the delay, guys. Sucks when people don't pay. Let's see here. Sorry, he paid well 62 of them, 67 with the shipping. Would anybody be willing to pay say 50 for the Lakers? 50 for the Lakers, anybody? Anybody at all? If not, I'll just hope that he pays. Joe, let me know. Let me know if Rafi said 25. Ken says he could do 40. Joe, let me know once you paid for that, the 35 for both the Celtics and the Pacers. And once again, I apologize about the delay. Anybody beat Ken at $40 for the Lakers? Okay, no problem, Joe. Ken, PayPal all right? I don't know if you saw it in the messages, but if you're the highest bidder for the Lakers, $40 is fine. It's better than somebody not paying at all. Ken, is PayPal all right? And once again, like I said, I apologize for the delay. I'll type the PayPal in one more time, kind of just in case it got lost in the stream. I appreciate people picking up the slack. Yep, that's it. Yep. Just as I pressed enter, you said you put my email in there simultaneously. So once you guys pay for those, we'll get ripping. Thank you, Joe. And if you weren't originally in my on eBay, just let me know your address and all that at the end of the break. And while we're waiting for that, I got some Legacy for NFL. This has got this is 2021. As you can see, oh no, maybe you can't see it. 2021. And we can see those that are fishing for some of the new quarterbacks that were just drafted. Yep, friends and family's fine, Ken. I've been around for a while now. Lots of people come back. I always take care of my customers. I have a ton of select here that I'll be including with that Legacy. I'll be posting that tomorrow in Chronicles. Yeah, it's a new kind, Rocky. They got, guys from the past, as you can tell. It's LaDainian Tomlinson and his old uniform. So they got old cards plus new ones. There's there's 2 autos per box, as you guys can see there. I'll be ripping that with Select and Chronicles. So I'll be posting that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. All right. Let me know once that's sent, Ken, and we'll get started, guys. Like I said, I apologize for the delay. All right. Thanks, Ken. Okay. Hopefully these other people pay. I got a couple others, small ones people didn't pay for, so hopefully we'll get that taken care of. All right. Thank you, everyone, for your patience. I will sleeve up all cards, all big-time hits, or some of these pink ice prisms. They'll get top-loaded. So I take care of everybody. I wrap extremely well. So you guys don't have to worry about any of that. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, Lakers was the only one. Hopefully. Let's do it. Let's do it, Con. Make sure everybody got in that needed to get in. Looks like it. All right. So we got 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. So we have a total of 150 cards that we'll be ripping tonight. All right. And for the empty box, nothing left. And we have a total of 10 packs here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, the Legacy Rock that just came out yesterday. Um, just got them at a local card shop. Got Terry Rozier, Furkan Korkmaz, Sophomore Stars, Tyler, I Could Be Your Hero, Baby, and a Nikola Vucevic for Orlando for our first pink. Obi Toppin for the Knicks. Nice hit. The Knicks, man, they're back in. It's like the '90s. Patrick Ewing and all them boys. They're doing well. They are doing extremely well. Craziest part is like Randall used to be with the Knicks, and the Knicks let him go. And it's just like, it's crazy that he went to another team, and that's where he like kind of spread his wings and really ended up doing well. John Wall, Otto Porter Jr., Emmanuel Quickly, another nice hit for the Knicks, Tony Schnell, and Caleb Martin. Davis Bertans, Mike Conley, Desmond Bain, rookie silver, with a Donovan Mitchell pink ice, with a Devin Vassell for the Spurs. Michael Porter Jr., Maxi Kleber, and another Obi Toppin, Emergent Silver. Nice hit for the Knicks, with an Eric Gordon pink ice and a Shaquille O'Neal for the Lakers. Like I said, all cards will be sleeved up, so you never have to worry about that. I just like to get all the big-time rookies top-loaded, Rafi, that's all. How about that game that John Morant had the other night? Was it 149 to 120 something? Paul Millsap, Jared Allen, James Wiseman for the Warriors. Nice hit for the Warriors. And just speaking of them, John Morant pink ice. Nice. Nice hit. With a Kenyon Martin Jr. He actually helped me late in the year in fantasy. Helped me out a lot. He had a really good last couple weeks. Everybody on the nice John Morant pink. With a James Wiseman. Nice hit for the Warriors. Who do you guys got? What are you guys thinking for the NBA championship? Who's coming out of the East? Who's coming out of the West? Brooke Lopez, Tony Snell, Torrey Craig Silver, a Nico Mannion, pink, and a Rui. What are you guys thinking? Bucks seem to be serious this year. They seem to be real serious this year. Jeff Green, Malik Beasley. The Heat are not the same Heat from last year. Porter Jr. Silver. And the Jameis Ramsey for the Kings. Nice hit for the Kings. Believe Todd had them. This one feels a little bit thick. See what we got here. Maybe not. JJ Barria. JJ Redick. 2 JJs in a row. We're chances of that. Bradley Beal. And a Marvin Bagley. With an Avery Bradley. Bogdanovich. Another Bagley. Zeke Nnaji. Norman Powell, pink Prizm. And a Trey Jones. Last pack and for the first box. And then we'll be down to 100 more cards. Landry Shamet. Joel Embiid. Devin Vassell. A Bobby Portis for the Knicks. Knicks have been the winners so far. And then a Precious Achua. And the first box is done. To the next one. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully, got some okay ones. I'm hoping for some Anthony Edwards and LaMelo's in this one. Yes, I apologize about that. About the time thing. Apologize about that time thing. I know I said 9 o'clock. I intended to have all of them on eBay by then. Then by the time I finished, I was like, oops. I put 9 o'clock for some of them, 10 o'clock on the other ones. I will repost this, and if you want pictures of any of your cards, I can send those to you at any point after the break. Either tonight or tomorrow, picture of just your hits or all your cards. I can do that. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 and 5. So yeah, sorry about the time mix-up. I know half of my thing said 9, other half said 10. But we're here and we're breaking. Good luck, everyone, with this next box. Chris Paul and them boys for Phoenix are giving LeBron a hard time. Dennis Rodman, Kawhi, P.J. Washington for the Hornets, and a Tyler, I could be your hero, baby. George Hill, James Harden, another James Harden, but this one's silver, an Obi Toppin pink, wow, and a Pukalevsky, sorry. I mean, the Knicks, I don't know why I always do well with the Knicks. Rock will usually take the Knicks. I always do well. I don't know why. But so far, it's been the Obi Toppin show. Been the Obi show. Let's see here. Oh, Brett, you got the Knicks. I pulled a Obi Toppin auto. Was out of the Absolute a few weeks back. Cam Reddish, Malachi Flynn, Matthew Dellavedova, Pink Prizm, and Andre Drummond. You certainly got your money's worth today, sir. Ooh, and a LeBron James. I know that this was the card that you Laker guys wanted. Very nice. I'll put that down. I know this was the big card that everybody wants. Nice. It's a little foggy though. And for the rest of the cards, we have Juan Hernandez-Gomez, Patrick Williams, Jordan Poole, and a Daniel Oturu. Alex Caruso. Prince. Tyrese Halliburton for the Kings. Avery Bradley for the Lakers. Pink. And the CJ McCollum. Nice Halliburton. I think he's going to have a huge season next year. For sure. Actually, we'll put that back. Put the basic away. Put that over there. Okay, let's see what we got here. Sorry, guys, if I keep on stopping. Some of the people are just coming in to the break now. Cody Zeller. Nerlens Noel. Precious Achua silver. With a Malik Monk Pink Prizm. And a Nico Mannion basic for the Warriors. D'Anthony Melton, Jamal Murray, R.J. Barrett for sophomore stars for the Knicks, and a Precious Achua pink Prizm. Pulling a lot of Precious lately. My Precious. Cassius Winston for that last card. Come on, baby. Let's get an auto here, would you? I know there's no guarantees, but that'd be nice. Dwight Powell. Duncan Robinson. Caldwell Pope for the Lakers. Bogdanovic. Brian Forbes. Yes, indeed, Rocky. My Precious. Ilyasova for the Bucks. Bam, Bam, Adebayo. James Harden Dominance. Green Prism. Kevin Knox. I mean, the Knicks just keep on coming. And Theo Maledon for the Thunder. Alright, let's see here. Oops. Left a little piece there. Marcus Smart. Dwayne Wade. Killian Hayes for Detroit. And Devin Vassell for the Spurs. Pink Prism. And the James Johnson for the T-Wolves. My T-Wolves, unfortunately. All right. Come on, baby. Be nice here. Be nice. We need LaMelo. We need Anthony Edwards. Got some other decent hits, so let's go. We need it. We need it. We need it. We need it. So, yes, I got a baseball one coming up. I got some Bauman blasters. Ripping that tomorrow if you want to tune in. Or I got 6 more teams I had to put on eBay. So I'll be ripping that. And then I'll have a big football one. I'm either going to do it all at once or I'm going to split it up into a few different, couple different breaks. Empty. So make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. 3, 4, 5. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come on, be nice. Let's be nice here. Bogdanovic. Zion. He had a killer season. Porzingis for Dallas. Silver. Zach Collins, pink for the Blazers. And a Rui. But yeah, Ja's playing good these playoffs. I think his rookie card might go up. So if you got one, hang on to it. Especially if you got one graded. Malik Monk. Dennis Schroeder. Tyrese Maxey for Philly. Joe Ingles for the Jazz. And then Trey Jones for the Spurs. Jeff Green, Wesley Matthews, Darius Garland, got a pink, no rookie, Zubac, another Obi Toppin. This is crazy. I don't know why. For basketball, I got for the Knicks. I don't know what it is, man. I got the magic touch for the Knicks. Burton's, Terrence Davis, another Tyrese Halliburton, this time an instant impact one for the Kings. We have a rookie. It's a pink prism for the Golden State Warriors. James Wiseman. Wiseman once said, oh, and a Caleb Martin. Nice hit for the Warriors. 2 James Wisemans. But this one is certainly prettier with the pink. And we have the other Tyrese. All right. Come on, baby. Hit me up with the Anthony Edwards and LaMelo. Let's go. Terry Rozier. Jaren Jackson. Luka Doncic, dominance. DeMar DeRozan for the Spurs. And Avery Bradley for the Lakers. Brook Lopez, Jeremy Grant for the Nuggets, Ben Simmons green for Philly, and we have a pink prism, not a rookie, Carmelo. Carmelo impressed me this year with some of he just keeps on going, man. And Shaquille O'Neal. It's the second time Shaquille was our last card of the pack. We got this pack and looks like 3 more after this. Michael Porter Jr. Chris Dunn. It's a rookie. Josh Green. Pink Prism. Not a rookie, unfortunately. Luke Kennard for Detroit. With a Kenyon Martin as the last card. Come on, man. Give me an Anthony Edwards here. 3 packs left. 1, 2, and 3. Give me Anthony Edwards. Give me LaMelo. 150 cards here. Let's go. These people deserve it. Paul Millsap. Steven Adams. Silver here is not a rookie. Chris Dunn for doubles. Not a rookie for the Prism. Pink Prism, I mean. But nice Trae Young for Atlanta. With a Wendell Carter Jr. 2 more packs left, my friends. Let's see how we do here. Let's see. Oops. J.J. Barria. Tomas. It's a rookie. From Detroit, Killian Hayes. Not a rookie pink. Josh Hart for the Pelicans. And another my precious Achua. Last pack. Let's be nice here. Let's go. Come on. Last pack of the night. Like I said, all cards will be sleeved. All hits will be top loaded. All the pinks will be top loaded. I will wrap them up, take care of them real nice. If anybody wants pictures of their cards at the conclusion of this, please send me a message and I will get a picture going for you. And I will send out the cards. This is Memorial Day weekend, so I'll try to get them out Saturday because they won't be able to go out Monday because it's a holiday. So I'll try to get these out Saturday for you guys to the post office. Landry Shamet. And please send me your address if you haven't already. If you weren't on eBay. Patrick Beverly. Vernon Carey Jr., son of a bitch. That would have been a nice one. Prizm for the Rockets, James Harden, even though he's not on the Rockets no more. And the last card is Devin Vassell. So sorry, couldn't pull Anthony Edwards from Minnesota. I got some Minnesota cards for you, some nice ones from last year, so I'll definitely be sending those to you. Few of our hits from tonight. And like I said, if you missed any of this, you want to watch it again, I will be reposting it. Tyrese Halliburton. Obi Toppin. Silver. For the Canucks. Pink Prizm. Obi. James Wiseman. Pink Prizm. John Morant. Second year Pink Prizm. James Wiseman. And Obi Toppin. Basic and lots more. I will be posting a picture of all of our hits in a little bit. Oh, and of course, this LeBron James card that everybody wants. Nice hit for the Lakers. And there's that. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for your time and for bidding. Hit me up if you are interested in any of my other breaks in the future. Have a good night. Have a good Memorial Day weekend. And you're precious. Later, everyone.